Is that your new toy? I've just woke her up. She's really sleepy. Am I annoying you? I'm gonna go on and actually see, have I already done an empties video this month? Something's telling me I have. 3 weeks ago. 31st of July. Okay, so this is August's empties. I feel like I have so many empties that I sometimes could get away with doing 2 a month. So I actually got this for Christmas. It was a gift from somebody, and it is the Dolce & Gabbana perfume. I'm not even going to try and pronounce this. And do you know what? I'm not going to give my opinions on it because it was kindly gifted to me. It was a present from a family member. It was nice, but I wouldn't buy it myself. And I kind of feel like buying somebody a perfume is very risky business. I feel like you need to buy your own perfume, right? Whenever Kyle buys me perfume for Christmas or birthdays or whatever, he asks me and I tell him what to get me, because he has in the past bought me perfumes before and oh god. Like, this was nice, but it's just not me. There's a very distinct scent or smell to it, and I don't know what it is. I have to say, the reviews on this perfume are fantastic. Don't agree with any of them. I'll talk about this product next actually, because it's not actually empty, but I can't use this. Actually, with this product, it came with this red pepper paste mask, and these kind of came as a bit of a collection, and I have thoughts on the both of these products. This is the red pepper super serum, and this is by the brand Herborian. This basically is supposed to energize and boost glow within your skin, and I find that if I used a couple of pumps of this or whatever, that yes, it made my skin look really nice and glowy and juicy and not sticky or heavy, but within like an hour my skin was parched. Like, you know, whenever your skin just feels tight, like it's just sucked in absolutely everything. Unless, yeah, maybe you're supposed to pair it with a moisturizer, but whenever it comes to a serum, I sometimes just like to be able to just pop a serum on for quickness, for handiness, just to give my skin a wee bit of hydration and everything. But no, I didn't like this. I find that it just sucked into my skin far too quickly, and it just kind of nearly dried my skin out. I also have not finished this. It is supposed to boost the radiance within the skin, instantly transform the skin's glow. Great. If you see results, that's great. I didn't see any. I just couldn't get behind this. These two products here, no. Bondi Sands skincare is not the best. I don't think I've actually tried anything that I liked apart from the hyaluronic acid serum. That was really nice actually. Any Bondi Sands skincare that I have tried and used and I have been kindly gifted, and it's really not great. But this is the Bondi Babe Purifying Clay Mask. I used it up. There's nothing left in it, but I literally just used it to get it used up. It was one of those products. I'm not the biggest fan on clay masks. I do find that no matter the brand, no matter what it claims, they will dry your skin out to a certain extent. But also, I just don't like the feeling of clay masks also whenever they're actually drying on your face. Like, it was okay to use. The formula of it was actually quite nice. It was quite nice and light, and it definitely was clay-like. The smell of it was a wee bit funky as well, but I just didn't really see much difference. I didn't into some products that I do actually like. A Revolution AHA BHA multi-acid toning solution. I ended up pouring half of this out. Well, whenever I say half of it, there was like this much left in it, but it just got to the point where it started to just get a wee bit skanky looking. I've had this for quite some time. Longer than I want to admit, and honestly it sat in a drawer. It sat in the back of a drawer, and then I brought it to the front. I used it a couple of times and then I forgot about it, and then I used it a couple of times, forgot about it, and it was just like, do you know what, bin, be gone. And do you know what, it is okay actually. It's kind of very similar to the Ordinary one. Very, very heavy duty. I feel like if you have sensitive skin, stay away from products like that. This is the La Roche Posay Purifying Foaming Gel. This was just like a wee jelly cleanser. I loved it. It was really, really good actually. I would definitely repurchase this for the simple fact that there was quite a lot in it. It's 400ml and it was a pump. So handy, but I didn't actually read it. So this is actually for oily and acne prone skin. I do not have acne prone skin and I do not have oily skin. However, I got on really, really well with this and I liked it. My skin seemed to vibe with it really, really nicely. I actually used this to like do my double cleanse. So it would have took off like all the excess makeup that was maybe underlying in my skin, dirt, oils, eye makeup, whatever. I love the fact that it was foaming as well, because I find that with a foam it just makes you feel just more clean or something. It didn't irritate my eyes. It was great. I loved it and I would definitely repurchase this. You can get this on Look Fantastic and they are relatively cheap, especially if you can get them on offer or whenever they're on sale. But yeah, really, really nice actually. And I found it quite gentle also. It was really nice and gentle. I don't think it was scented or anything. Was it? I can't remember. Okay, I think it's got like a bit of a natural scent to it, but overall, I really could not fault this product. Fabulous. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Refining Pore Tight Toner. This is pore refining and also hydrating. I would definitely repurchase this. Is this a repurchase? I think this actually is a repurchase. I think I'll repurchase it for the third time. Honestly, this is also a product that I will always have in my skincare routine. I'll always have it on hand or just, yeah, I absolutely love this. This is so nice. It just feels so lightweight and just refreshing on the skin. It smells beautiful. It has a really nice like soft scent of like watermelon and I would say cucumber. It's lovely. It's honestly the nicest wee quench to the skin. How I like to use it is not with a cotton pad because I find that the cotton pad actually soaks it up. I will literally just put a couple of blobs of this on my hand and then like massage it in. Even sometimes whenever I'm coming out of the shower, I will just put a load of this on the palm of my hand and just start to press it into like my neck and my shoulders and my face, and it's just honestly like the nicest wee bit of hydration to my skin before I then follow on with moisturizer or something. It's honestly so nice. So nice. Like this is far more hydrating than that wee serum that I was talking about ever will be. So this is from the brand Grays and this is a product that I've never seen before. Like I feel like they've done something here. This is amazing. This is the Glow Job Self Tanning Spray. What is going on here? So basically it comes in this aerosol can, which I absolutely love, but it's an instant self tanner. So you see, if you're just like going on an unexpected night out or a dinner party, I don't know, wherever the fuck you're going, I don't know, but you just want a wee bit of a top up of your fake tan, spray it on. It literally, obviously it's done, but you just spray it on. Literally, and it just gives you colour, whether your legs or your chest. I never done my full body because I feel like it would have wasted the product, but you see, to just do your chest or your arms or your legs, amazing, absolutely fantastic. You got honestly such a nice even coverage with this as well. Beautiful colour, didn't necessarily have that like fake tan scent. It smelled like baby powder, which I'm just going to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan on either, but I suppose if you're applying this and then going straight out the door, it's nicer than obviously the smell of fake tan or curry or biscuits, soggy biscuits at that. Yeah, but it's just honestly so nice. No mitts, no hassle, just spray it on, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Enriched with aloe vera, vitamins A, C, E, B5, citric acid. Even as a top up, like obviously I've just tanned, I tanned last night, haven't washed it off yet, but in a couple of days time, I maybe would have sprayed this over my chest and over my arms and my legs, just as a top up, you know what I mean, to kind of keep up with your tan. It's honestly so good. Last two skincare products. This is a good one, honestly. I feel like I'm either loving these products in the Simpties or I'm hating them. But I will definitely repurchase these two products here. This is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. I love this. I love this for the applicator. Sometimes I'm really bad whenever it comes to my skincare routine and applying eye cream because just, I don't know. But this was just so quick and easy and I loved it because it just comes with this wee 3-ball roller 3-ball roller ball applicator. Obviously the product goes in between the roller balls and you just rub it in around the under eyes. I also like to put it in between the brows, and with the wee balls that we have here, it's just so cooling. It's so cooling and it feels so nice whether you have puffy eyes first thing in the morning, and obviously the product as well feels so nice and lightweight and hydrating. This is pricey. It'll look fantastic. It is quite pricey, but it is worth it. With it being like a liquidy serum type formula, it wasn't sticky either. Sometimes you would maybe think that there'd be a wee bit of tag, a wee bit of stickiness. No, it was just gorgeous. It was lovely. It was really nice and lightweight and it just glided on to the skin and it was beautiful. I would definitely repurchase. And my favourite moisturiser. Honestly, this moisturiser is so gosh damn expensive. Eve Lom Moisture Cream, and this is only the 30ml, and I think this is like 50 or 60 pound. The bigger tub is like £100 plus, and that for a moisturiser just breaks my heart every time. So I always like to go for like the wee one, and sometimes I'll splurge out on the bigger one. I have lipstick in my teeth. But this is just like, how do you explain a moisturiser? I've tried and gone through a lot of moisturisers in my time, but this moisturiser nearly blurs the skin. It's very thick. It's a very thick moisturiser, but it's not too thick. It is rich, but in a nice way. I love using this moisturiser, especially at night time. With it being quite of like a heavier, I suppose richer formula, let's just say for argument's sake, I find it maybe a wee bit too much on my skin for during the day and then going in and applying foundation, makeup, whatever. But at night time, this is fabulous. This is an absolute godsend. I wouldn't say it would be for younger skin. I would definitely say like late 20s up. But it's just so nice. And it doesn't leave your skin like overly dewy, overly glossy looking. So I feel like if you have oily skin, you would get on with this moisturiser great as well. It just sinks beautifully into the skin and your face looks perfect after it. Like as I was saying there, it nearly looks as if it blurs the skin. I must actually buy another one of these eventually. And what is that person doing? What are you doing? Oh, she's cleaning her glasses. Is that what you're doing? I am so nosy. Oh my god. Hi, my name's Emma and I'm a nosy neighbour. The neighbourhood pervert. I swear. Oh dear. I'm still looking. But no, honestly, the nicest, the best wee moisturiser. I think I was actually going to say something there. Yeah, I'm going to obviously buy this again and in a vlog or something, I'll show you how it just looks on like bare skin and everything. Not that you'd be able to see it too much, like how different kind of moisturiser actually look, right? But I just feel like try and get a wee sample of it. It's honestly like the best moisturiser. Most of these products I will try and list and link down below if I can for you, and I hope to see you in my next one.